Hello everybody, my Photoshop friends. This is Richard, and I'm back with another Photoshop tip. This one is really quick, and it's very easy to do, and it still looks great, so I hope you like this. We're going to look at how to make someone's face look thinner. Okay, so let's get started. I have a picture I took, pulled up here in Photoshop. The model's face does not need to be thin here, but I'm just doing this for a demonstration. So I have my layer 1 selected. I'm going to go up to the menu here where it says filter and go down to liquify. Now once liquify comes up, I'm going to just zoom in a little bit here to get to maybe 100%, and I'll hold down my space bar while I scroll here on my stylus pad. Okay, there we go. So we can see her face very well now, and once again, her face doesn't really need thinning, but we're just doing a demonstration. All right, so over here on my right, you see I have all these areas like the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the face shape, and we're going to go down the face shape, and we're going to look at face width. And I can start moving this to the left, and you see her face is getting thinner just by my doing that with face width. And I'm going to move in the jawline as well to make that thinner. So maybe something like this. And now I can add to her smile if I want to. I'm going up here to smile. I'm going to make her smile a little bit more just by going over to the right a little bit like this. And that's about it. So let's look at the before and the after. Here's the before. Here's the after. Before and the after. So you see that's quite a difference there in her face width. Let's see, the forehead, I believe this slider just makes the forehead taller. Yeah, that just really adjusts her hairline, so that's not going to increase the width or the size of the forehead there. But for face width and jawline, you get a lot of bang for your buck right there in terms of how narrow you can make the face look, and with the jawline and the face width slider. Okay, so then once you're happy with your adjustments, and once again we'll look at the before and the after, and you're happy with your adjustments, you hit OK, and it goes back now to the layer you were on, and we can once again look at the layers. Here's without the adjustment layer here, and here is with it. So it's quite a difference. And that's all you have to do to make someone's face a lot thinner in Photoshop. You just use the liquify tool, and everything works out beautifully. So if you found this useful, please subscribe to the channel or hit the like button. I appreciate it. Thank you. This is Richard. Goodbye.